Magnesium is essential for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, yet millions of people are unknowingly deficient in it. A lack of magnesium can silently affect your health, leading to various chronic conditions that are often misdiagnosed. But the good news is that magnesium-rich foods like dark leafy greens, avocados, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate can help restore your magnesium levels naturally. If these foods aren't a part of your daily diet, you could be missing out on one of, if not the most important mineral for your body. Beyond food sources, many people turn to magnesium supplements to ensure they meet their needs. However, not all magnesium supplements are created equal, and we'll cover that toward the end of the video. For now, let's explore the 12 reasons why magnesium is essential for your health. Are you ready? Number 12, reduces inflammation. Magnesium is a key regulator of the body's inflammatory response. Chronic inflammation is often linked to conditions like heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Studies have shown that low magnesium levels can trigger higher levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, making it harder for the body to heal from injuries or infections. Over time, unregulated inflammation can damage tissues, organs, and blood vessels, setting the stage for chronic illnesses to develop. Number 11, supports muscle function and recovery. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. It regulates calcium in muscle fibers, ensuring proper coordination between contraction and relaxation. When magnesium levels are low, muscles can become stiff, resulting in cramps, spasms, or twitching. This is especially important for people involved in physical activities, where the risk of overexertion is higher. Without sufficient magnesium, the body struggles to recover, increasing the chances of fatigue and injury. Number 10, regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it shows no symptoms but can lead to stroke or heart attack. Magnesium plays a significant role in dilating blood vessels, allowing them to relax and promote healthy blood flow. When blood vessels are relaxed, the heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood through the body. Some population studies have shown that people with higher magnesium intake tend to have lower rates of hypertension, suggesting its potential role in heart health. Number 9, helps with blood sugar control. Magnesium is essential for glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. It acts as a cofactor for enzymes involved in breaking down carbohydrates and turning them into energy. Research indicates that magnesium deficiency is closely tied to insulin resistance, a major driver of type 2 diabetes. Inadequate magnesium levels can disrupt cellular glucose uptake, making it harder for cells to use glucose efficiently. This can lead to frequent blood sugar spikes and contribute to metabolic disorders. Number 8, boosts bone strength. Magnesium is a structural component of bones, with nearly 60% of the body's magnesium stored in bone tissue. This mineral also activates vitamin D, which enhances calcium absorption in the intestines. Without enough magnesium, calcium can't be properly integrated into bones, leading to weak and brittle bones. Deficiency in magnesium has been linked to osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women, as the bone remodeling process slows with age. Number 7, improves mood and reduces anxiety. Magnesium has been shown to influence brain function by regulating neurotransmitters that control mood, such as serotonin. When magnesium levels drop, the body releases more stress hormones like cortisol, leading to heightened anxiety and mood disturbances. Chronic magnesium deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of depression, panic attacks, and even behavioral changes. Its role in balancing brain chemicals makes it a crucial component of mental health. Number 6, enhances sleep quality. Magnesium influences sleep regulation through its interaction with the neurotransmitter GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, which calms the nervous system. When GABA activity increases, the body enters a state of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Low magnesium levels, on the other hand, can lead to difficulties in staying asleep and cause fragmented sleep patterns. Poor sleep quality is linked to several health problems, including obesity, cardiovascular disease, and cognitive decline, making magnesium essential for restful sleep. Number 5, supports brain function and memory. Cognitive processes like learning, memory, and focus rely on magnesium to function optimally. Magnesium regulates the transmission of signals between neurons, ensuring that nerve cells communicate effectively. Magnesium deficiency has been associated with mental fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, a lack of magnesium can impair memory function and even increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Number 4, regulates heart rhythm. Magnesium plays an essential role in stabilizing electrical signals within the heart. It ensures that ions like potassium and calcium are properly balanced, which is crucial for maintaining a steady heart rhythm. Without enough magnesium, the risk of developing arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats, increases, which can lead to serious heart complications. Magnesium is often recommended for people recovering from heart surgery or those with pre-existing heart conditions to support cardiovascular stability. Number 3, eases digestive issues. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, many of which are related to digestion. It regulates muscle contractions in the digestive tract, ensuring that food moves smoothly through the intestines. Magnesium deficiency can lead to slow bowel movements, resulting in bloating and constipation. It also helps balance stomach acid levels, reducing symptoms of acid reflux. By promoting regular digestion, magnesium contributes to overall gut health. Number 2, provides natural pain relief. Magnesium's role in regulating neurotransmitters and muscle function makes it a powerful ally in reducing physical pain. Low magnesium levels are associated with chronic pain conditions like migraines, fibromyalgia, and muscle tension. Magnesium helps block pain receptors in the nervous system, reducing sensitivity to pain signals. It also decreases the release of inflammatory compounds that exacerbate pain, making it beneficial for both acute and chronic pain management. Number 1, increases energy production. Magnesium is essential for energy production at the cellular level. It plays a key role in the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy-carrying molecule in cells. ATP must bind with magnesium ions to become biologically active. Without enough magnesium, cells cannot generate energy efficiently, resulting in feelings of fatigue and weakness. Magnesium also plays a role in metabolizing nutrients like carbohydrates and fats, which are essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. And there you have it. Magnesium is essential for nearly every function in your body. If you're considering adding a magnesium supplement to your routine, magnesium glycinate is your best option. It's highly absorbable, gentle on the stomach, and effective for addressing magnesium deficiency. On the other hand, avoid magnesium oxide. It has the lowest absorption rate and often causes digestive discomfort. Choose wisely and your body will thank you. Now check out this video right here for more tips on optimizing your health and lifestyle. Thanks for watching Healthy End, and we will see you there.